We're gonna be doing a tour around the whole zoo. What we are gonna do is go head to the cassowaries. Very, very big, large bird that can kill you with one kick. This capybara right there, you guys. We'll be getting one of those soon, real soon. Alright, you guys, we are here at the Jacksonville Zoo and we're going to be doing a tour around the whole zoo, do a zoo tour, and then as well we're going to be doing behind scenes. Let's walk around and go find some different crazy animals that we can find here and find some awesome different ideas for the ranch, for the Blake's Exotic Animal Ranch. Let's go look around and see what we find. Let's go do it. Isn't that thing the Lion King?
Yeah, it's Pumbaa.
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 There he is.
He could be small. When I was a young warthog.
Coyote over there. Something that likes to be on Blake's Exotic Animal Ranch and eat Gucci gang. It's alright. Let's go find him. Hi. Look at the routine of it. It's cold out here. Saw the ranch fam coming. Bro, it's cold.
I don't want to use the ranch.
Maybe. Possibly.
Do it.
Noisy lions. Who's that little dude? That's a young one because the other one's right there.
Yeah.
Big guys. Is it monkeys or apes? Monkeys. You have a tail.
Look over here.
Come on now.
It's a little monkey.
Alright, for today's post notification shout out goes to Blue Young. She says, Blake, you are the man. Love your videos. You bring joy to me and so many people. You be you. We love you. Thank you, Blue Young. And if you guys want to have the possibility to get shouted out on another video, make sure you guys put a positive comment down below. Alright, you guys, so what we're going to do right now is you guys see those African elephants over there? See them down there? Blake's Exotic Animal Ranch always gets the behind scenes kind of thing. So in about a few minutes, we are going to be going over there and talking and learning a lot of those African elephants. So stay tuned, let's go over there. Look at those things. The bongos, we got to get some of those on the ranch one day, for sure. Look at that little cute little guy. What is that? Probably a male and a female and two young ones. Look how big those horns are. Those things are gorgeous.
Soon.
Soon. About to go see some elephants. You ready to see some elephants? Elephantes.
We're gonna go see elephants.
Some big elephants. Let's go do it.
This one here is Sheena. She's about 35. Ari's gonna go through some of her behaviors. She already had a training session this morning. Sweet. There's 5 of us to take care of the elephants.
Yeah, you're gonna have to give me a
Back up. Good, back up. Steady. Salute. Good, salute. No, back up. Back up. Zero, back up. Steady. Salute. Good girl. Stretch. Stretch. No. She did. Head. All right, salute. Stretch. Good girl. Luke. All right. Come on. So both these people just trained before we put on the zip. Huh? She didn't get a match. Tom's got a match. All right. Scrub their feet, so. Speak. Ears. All right. Foot. Yeah, I mean, it's good
All
exercise.
right,
It's good
other
mental stimulation.
All right, other foot. No. Come on. Foot. All right.
That's the barn right here. My God.
The wrap around and do it all day long, and at nighttime they get access to inside. And the whole just under 12,000 pounds. It was previously owned by Michael Jackson.
Huh.
He's been here since 1997.
And he breeds with the females over there?
He does not. The females are post-reproductive, so they will not have any offspring. He's part of an artificial insemination program, though, and he's had 2 offspring. He has one at Animal Kingdom and one at Indianapolis.
Is he missing a little bit of his trunk?
He is missing a little bit of his trunk. He had an accident 10 or 12 years, probably 12 years ago, maybe. And then he has, his right tusk is broken.
He has moods, crazy moods.
Male elephants go through must where they have elevated testosterone levels, so that's when he's broken his tusk.
Yeah, I'm sure.
When he's not in must, he's pretty laid back. He's a good elephant. He just likes to break things.
Yeah, I bet.
What do you go through must for?
It varies. This last time, 6 months maybe? Probably less.
From beginning to, I think, from like first signs to very end, but yeah.
Some elephants are like
full must, maybe 3.
a lot shorter time periods, but he usually goes every 2 years, where other males go once a year. So.
All right, you guys, so we were there with the African elephants. Obviously, we weren't able to touch the African elephants because they're very, very large animals. We saw some training activities that they did there. It was pretty awesome. But now what we are gonna do is go head to the cassowaries. Very, very big, large bird that can kill you with one kick. Has a big, very big helmet. Awesome bird. We're gonna go check those out right now. See those giant cassowaries.
Has a short bill on the top. When he was younger, he injured it, so it's just permanently short now. So we cut his food up pretty big.
And you guys just have one here?
Yeah, we just have one. I think, and the plan is to.
I thought they were so much taller for some reason.
I think the females are bigger.
Are they?
Yeah. So, and he's kind of a small male. He's also, when he injured his bill, he rubbed off a large portion of his wattles. So those are actually
And that's
a lot
just because
smaller.
of male, being a male.
He should look a little more pretty than he does.
You're so amazing.
Heck yeah.
Oops.
Can't like you.
Sometimes he'll throw him on the ground just so he gets another one. I'll
So
save that one
gentle.
for later.
It's Willie's cousin from Asia. Look at those teeth on that thing. Oinkers. Oh look, there's a leak. Yo, this is relaxing.
Really chill, buddy.
You can hear the seagulls laughing in the background. We're out here at the Jacksonville Zoo taking a break. I don't really like people too much. I do, but I don't. When there's little kids crying around me, we enjoy the wilderness.
Do not retract, which gives them great traction and turning capabilities. They're also the fastest of the land animals, reaching a max speed of 70 miles per hour with an average speed of 40. So have a cassowary exhibit and a lorikeet aviary, where you can feed the small colorful birds a cup of nectar for only $1. The building that we're going to be passing by serves as a holding area and a hatchery for many of our bird species.
Look at that. Look at this capybara right there, you guys. We'll be getting one of those soon. Real soon. Look at that. Water's dirty.
Where does Fun go? I just saw him.
And ours is going to be dirty too. This is a zoo, and mine's going to be a zoo as well.
And I'm
Look
not
at these
taking
guys.
it home.
Alright guys, today at the Jacksonville Zoo was insane. It was awesome. We saw so many different types of animals and creatures here at the zoo. Learned a lot of different things and saw behind scenes. Also, we were able to meet Terry L. Maple. He wrote this book right here, and this book is something really, really amazing. You guys can purchase this book on Amazon as well. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, put those post notifications on, and I will see you guys in an upcoming video. Make sure you check out this book, you guys. All right.